Virtual reality for industrialization. The solutions used by maintenance and also quality and process people to validate the designs of the machines. As you know, that in Batam, we have a lot of automation project. So that's why we need to validate the design of the machines before we manufacture the machine itself. Previously, we need to go to our vendor to validate the design. But now, with this virtual reality, we can do validations within virtual. With this virtual reality solutions, we can saving a lot of costs, especially the travel costs and also the validation costs, because we don't need to go directly to our vendor side. We can do validations by virtually in Batam.